Talking Straight. Late night with Jenny's old coupe. I don't know what they're singing about here. Let me get the lyrics all day. Listen, for Jenny's old coupe, midnight blue, it's faded, but she's always been true. Holiday, I haven't seen you since. Yeah, I had to get away. Window pane, electricity illuminates the rain. Hey YouTube, we're gonna have Rolling Blackout Coastal Fever Day. I'm gonna try to do two songs. This one is Talking Straight, but I'm gonna try to do French Press too in a separate video. This one is good though because it's good for beginners. It's just a D, A minor. Now, I watched them perform it and on video, and they have three guitars. Okay, so the one guitar is playing like. It's playing the B string. Sometimes it's playing it with the open E. Okay, but the chords are being played D, A. They got a real good guitar sound. Well, with three guitars, I guess you should. And then for the chorus, we can play it all in with the beginner chords. Let's see, it goes second. We are not talking straight. It's a descending line. If we played it with bar chords, you could see it more easily. E minor. Okay. E minor, D, C, G. Okay, and then playing a lot on the B string with these single note riffs. So the one lead guitarist I saw him playing out of this position, but I guess this is G. Playing this G major using the E minor pentatonic at the 7th fret. 7, 10 on the A, 7, 9 on the D, 7/9 on the G. You could play 7/8/10 on the B string. 7/10 on the high E. Okay, that's E minor. So I guess you could play the. In the chorus, you got the E minor, and you got the G. So, and D and C are both in those keys. So, yeah, I would say either E minor or G major should get you there for any of the lead lines. All right, that's a beginner lesson. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.